Hey guys, this is Mahesh, the freelancer. So in this video, I'll try to qualify for the HIT app SDEE details annotations. So let's begin. Yeah, so in this HIT app, we should go through this particular line. So here it was product number of reviews, customers review count about the product, excluding that of related ads. Example 27. Which means how many customers reviewed about this particular product. We just need to check in this web page here. We could see here, are there any reviews section here? Is there any reviews here? I could see here, but I just clicked on it, and reviews 2 looks like it has 2 reviews, but see our reviews 853. I don't think so. It's confusing. Let me check again. So I could see reviews are 2 here. So here it was asked about customers review count, so I'll go with 2. Let's see. It's not correct. I don't know why it's not correct, because when I clicked on it, it showed 2. But if you face this similar kind of question, and if it is not correct, guys, when you don't have any review count over here directly, you could you could mention -1 here and just submit it. Just go with it. Let's see. This was an easy question, I guess, but yeah. So we should check if the product is in stock or out of stock. So let's see. uh, in stock, I don't find the info. Let's press Control F. I'll press stock over here. In this web page, there is nothing like nothing mentioned about the product which is in stock or out of stock. So I'll go with -1. Let's see. Submit. Let's see. Yeah, it was correct. How much your product or service costs? Yeah, so here they will be mentioning some product, so we should mention how much it costs. This is something product name. Oh, where is the price mentioned? Rating, review, disclaimer, delivery details, product details. How about pricing? I can't see pricing here. Yeah, I could see it here. It was 295 rupees, I guess. I don't know. So that was about the price. So I'll copy and I'll paste it here. Let's submit. Let's see. Cool, it's correct. Let's close this. How much your product or service costs? Once again, it was the same question. It costs 87.77. I don't know it's rupees or dollars, but I'll copy that and I'll paste the price of this product over here. I'll just submit it. Yeah, it was correct. So the product is in stock or out of stock, so we should check if this particular product is in stock or out of stock. Once again, I'll say Control F, stock. Again, I just find only four uh, four words of stock, and those are here. Let's check once again, in stock or out of stock. I think it wasn't mentioned over here about the stock details, so I'll go with -1. So if the details are not mentioned, you should go with -1. Let's submit. Let's see. Yeah, it was correct. How much your product or service costs? Yeah, this product costs this much. I'll just copy and paste it over here. Let's submit. Correct. Once again, it was the same question. How much your product or service costs? Where is the product? Over here, looks like chair was a product. Okay. How much it costs? Where is the pricing details mentioned? Yeah, looks like it was the details. It was the detail we are looking for. I just copy. I copied it and I'm pasting it here. It was the price, so I'll submit it. It was correct. Average aggregated rating of a product, published reviews. Average rating. So we should see how much rating was given to this particular product. So rating. Let's see. There are only two terms here. I couldn't find rating of this particular product, so I'll go with -1. Let's see. It's submitting. Looks like my network connection is slow. Forgive me for that. Come on. Submitting. Yeah, it was correct. Manufacturer of the product. Let's see who is the manufacturer. Again, rather than checking the entire web page, just press Ctrl F and type the term manufacturer. Looks like there were four terms here. We got three over here. Where is the other one? Uh-oh. I'll go with this. 2, 3, 4. Where is the fourth one? Looks like it was inside the web page. Oh, I couldn't find this. Modular 900 ml liquid soap. Brand. Yeah, looks like it was. I'm unable to copy this. I don't know why. Modular. Is it a manufacturer or is it the name of the product? I don't know. But we just need a name of the manufacturer. Click skip if the URL can't open or the layout is not good. Of course the layout is good, but we can't skip the product, I guess, during qualification. So I'm even unable to copy this, so I'll go with -1. Let's see. Looks like it was correct. Oh, the product is called usually in heading. It was a very simple one, so this was the name of the product. So I'll just paste it over here. Hit submit. It was correct. You have passed the qualification test. Congratulations to me. So this was the qualification, guys. My network connection is too slow. So yeah, that was it. It was, yeah, I got it. So I'll filter it to qualified. So this was it. This was about SDW details annotations, guys. So if you like the video, please do subscribe, and if you have any doubts, mention in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching.